Strategy. This was my next move. I was like, cool, that makes sense. I'll move into strategy. Now I know I'm motivated. I've got the tactics. And now I'll start to combine a strategy of all this stuff. And I will start to, you know, now I'll start to see the big picture. And I won't just do task A, B, and C. I'll start to combine it into larger projects, into larger initiatives, into larger things I want in my business, into larger goals I want to reach. And I'll look at everything from a strategy so that, when I'm working at the very tiny level when I'm in the edit bay and just focus on editing a video. Or even when I'm shooting a video, I really know what I'm doing. I know why I'm doing it, and I'm able to kind of move forward and understand and not get so bogged down in the details because I still have that 30,000 foot view. And 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, that was my next move. I was like, let me get into strategy because that's what, as you're growing up, as you're getting better in the creative business, if you're a videographer, cinematographer, photographer, any kind of creative, you start out and maybe, you can look at the kind of natural progression in a corporate video production house. You can look at the natural progression in a small video production house. There's the young kid who is just the technician. They're the whiz kid. And then you got the higher ups, the managers who are looking at the kind of broad picture, the broad strategy, the broader initiatives that are going to lead the business further down the road in the right direction. And that's what I got really obsessed with. Like, yeah, if I know this, if I know strategy, then I'm going to be better than these little kids, these little 21-year-olds who are just shooting videos. That's all they know how to do. They just know Premiere and how to shoot on a DSLR. I know strategy, so I'm better. And to some degree, yeah. Like, now that you're kind of bringing in these pillars, you are elevating your skills. Like, you are able to kind of set yourself higher and higher. But it still wasn't all that.